Have you ever bought something labeled eco-friendly or green, only to find out later that it wasn't exactly what it seemed? That right there is greenwashing, a marketing tactic where companies exaggerate or outright fabricate their environmental credentials to win your trust, and let's be honest, your money. Let's break it down. Greenwashing isn't just a buzzword, it's a real problem. Think about how often you see words like natural, sustainable, or ethical splashed across packaging. But what do they really mean? Too often, not much. Take the fashion industry, for example. Some major brands have launched conscious or eco collections, boasting recycled fabrics or water-saving techniques. But behind the scenes, those same brands might still rely on fast fashion's cheap labor, synthetic materials, and mountains of waste. In tech, companies tout carbon-neutral shipping or green gadgets, but if their supply chains depend on rare earth mining or energy-guzzling data centers, is that really green? And in food, labels like all natural or farm fresh can mask the use of pesticides, monoculture crops, or high-emission transportation. So how do they get away with it? Greenwashers lean on a few classic tricks. Vague claims are everywhere. Words like eco-friendly with zero proof or specifics. Some slap on misleading certifications, using self-made badges that look official but mean nothing. Others cherry-pick data, sharing one small improvement while ignoring their bigger environmental footprint. The impact? It's not just about being fooled as a shopper. Greenwashing lets polluters off the hook and slows down real progress. If everyone's busy chasing fake solutions, the real problems get worse: more emissions, more waste, and more destruction of ecosystems. So what can you do about it? First, get curious. Look beyond marketing. Dig into a brand's supply chain. Are they transparent about where and how things are made? Do they publish data on their emissions, water use, and labor practices? Check for third-party certifications like Fair Trade or Global Organic Textile Standard. These have real standards and audits. And don't be afraid to ask questions or reach out to companies directly. Your choices matter. When you support brands that are genuinely committed to sustainability, you send a message that transparency and real action matter more than clever ads. As more of us demand better, companies have to step up or risk losing our trust. But it's not just about calling out the bad actors. There are brands pioneering circular economy models where products are designed to be reused, repaired, or recycled from the start. Real sustainability is about long-term thinking, not just a green sticker. At the end of the day, I believe change starts with informed, collective action. We all have a role to play, learning, questioning, and demanding better. Because when we stop falling for greenwashing and start supporting real solutions, that's when real change begins.